Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust line spacing in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So go ahead up and select the Home tab, and then over Paragraph, select the little icon that shows a little arrow going up and down with lines next to it. And you can adjust 1.0 is standard, and you can go up to 2, which is a 2.0 or double the distance, double space basically. And you go all the way up to 3. And you can also adjust as well going underneath line spacing options if you want to do custom settings in there. And you can also remove or add a space between before or after a paragraph as well. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.